the balloons. How many balloons?
1, 2.
2, that's how many I need. Should I do the key?
Okay.
You're going to do it for me? Okay. No, put it in the balloons. Nope, the balloons. There you go. No ball. Don't close it. Okay, we're going to play for Daddy. Here, your turn again. What shape is that?
Square.
Can you find a square? Something with a square? There's a square. Okay, what do you do? No ball. Okay, let's go again. How about this? What color is that?
Green.
Green. Can you find something green? And put the key in it?
It's green.
That is green. No ball. Okay. Mommy's turn. What letter is that?
A C.
Can you help me find something with a C? Which has a C?
This has a C.
Very good. Caterpillars has a C. Can you put the key in there? Oh, no ball. Okay, Kenzie's turn. What is that? What number is it?
4.
A 4. Okay, so what do we look for? Something with 4 shapes?
Circles. But with shape.
How many circles? How many? Those are apples. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. So what do we do?
Put the key in.
Is there a ball?
No.
No ball. Okay. Let's go again. What is that? Another 4. Okay, we need to find something else with 4.
No, I want to try it again.
Oh, okay. What shape is that? What shape? No, this is the one. What shape? That is an O, but what shape is it? A circle. Okay. Can you find something with circles? There you go. Can you push the key in there? Let's see if there's a...
Those cupcakes?
They are cupcakes. Let's try the key and see if there's a ball.
No ball.
No ball. Okay, let's try one more, and then I need to go change Taggart's diaper. How about this one? A 3. Okay. Can you find something with 3?
What's 3? Hey, what's 3, Daddy?
Can you count 3? No, nope. That's not one. You need to count them. Kenzie, you need to count them.
No.
Here, let me see the key. Find something with 3.